All right, let's talk about how to crop and edit your picture so it's ready for your charcoal project. So I'm going to come down to the edits I can make over here, and we'll just start out with cropping first of all. I like to keep stuff at a 3:4 or 4:3 ratio because that'll line up with the ratio of the paper, the size of the paper that I give you. So I'm going to click over here and choose, there we go. This one will be 4:3 ratio. And what you'll see is that no matter how many times you drag and go to crop this thing, it'll always keep the cropped area at a 4:3 ratio. Now, you can kind of use the little grid lines to help remind you of the rule of thirds that you like to it's nice to kind of set things off to the side within the little intersections of those third lines. Remember, stuff right in the center is really boring, so stuff off to the side is kind of nice. And you can even, if you want, you can even have your object kind of scooched off, cut off by the edge of the paper. That's fine too. You can do that, okay? But you really want to fill the space with your object, so make sure to do that. Now I'm happy with the crop, so now I'm going to come over to adjustments because we want our picture to be in black and white. So you do have some options. You can just try out your filters if you want. There's some nice black and white filters, more towards the back end of the filter options like mono and silvertone and noir. And actually any one of these looks like it's working pretty well. But if you want more control, you can just come over to adjustments. And if you look for saturation, just scooch it all the way over to the left, and it basically drains all the color from the picture. We also want to make sure that we have full tonal range, so there's lots of little adjustments you can make, and but the main one we use is usually contrast. See, if your picture is looking a little too gray like that, you can use the contrast button to kind of bring in and heighten some of those pure whites and some of those blacks, because remember, we want full tonal range, which means a little bit of pure white, a little bit of pure black, and many grays in between. You can mess with some of the other adjustments as well. Like if your picture came out a little dark, you can increase the brightness and then go to the contrast, which I think that's kind of nice. So I'm probably going to leave it like right there because I have pure white, pure black, and many grays in between. And that'll actually work for me. So remember, you want to have a good composition, use the rule of thirds, and make sure that we have full tonal range. And when you're done, just click done, and you can upload your picture to your slides.